We'll guide you through how to collaborate on Google Keep. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. People search for this tutorial to learn how to share and collaborate on notes in Google Keep, especially for teamwork, school projects, or coordinating tasks efficiently with others. First, open Windows on your computer and make sure you are on the main desktop screen. Next, move to the search bar and type Google Chrome into it. When the search results appear, click to open Google Chrome on your computer so that the browser launches properly. After the browser launches, click on the address bar at the top, type Google Keep, and press Enter on your keyboard to begin the search. From the search results page, find and click on the official Google Keep website to make sure you are accessing the correct platform. Once the website loads completely, the Google Keep dashboard will appear on your screen, showing all your saved notes. Now, move your cursor over the note you want to share and collaborate on. Hovering over the note will highlight it so you can identify it clearly. Click the note to open it. After clicking, your note will appear in a larger view and will be editable, allowing you to make changes if needed. Carefully review the content to ensure it is ready to be shared. Next, look for the Collaborator button, which is represented by a person icon with a plus symbol sign. This icon is usually located at the bottom part of the note interface. Once you find it, click the Collaborator button to continue. After clicking the button, the Collaborator Options menu will appear on your screen. This menu allows you to add people who can access and edit the note. In the provided field, type the email address of the person you want to share the note with. Make sure you enter the email address correctly without spelling mistakes, as an incorrect email will prevent the person from receiving access. Double-check the address carefully before proceeding. Once you are confident that the email address is accurate, click Save to confirm and send the collaboration invitation. After saving, the collaborator can now edit the note you shared on Google Keep, and both of you can make updates or changes to the same note in real time.